Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to open a Halifax bank account online. Firstly, go to the Halifax website and browse and choose the account that suits your needs. Then check the eligibility criteria to ensure you qualify. Click on Apply as a new customer, then follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. Now, enter your full name, date of birth, and contact information. Provide details of your home address, at least the last 3 years, and submit information about your income and employment status. If required, upload a photo of your ID and submit proof of address, which is a recent utility bill, bank statement, etc. Once all details are provided, submit your application and Halifax will review your application and notify you once it's approved. And that's it guys, after approval, you receive account details and a debit card. Thank you for watching.